Stay tuned to see me install these beautiful spring twists. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be installing spring twists. So I have done spring twists before. I'll link that video in the cards above. The last time I did spring twists, I did them in small sections, and I also cut the hair in half, so it's a lot shorter. I absolutely love the spring twist, so I decided to try the style again. This time I'm doing jumbo spring twists, and I will not be cutting the hair in half. So this is what the spring twists look like. And I'm going to be installing them in medium to large sections. I've already sectioned off the back half of my hair, and now I'm going to move on to the front. So one thing about protective styling is that you want to make sure that you're protecting your hair underneath the protective style. So I am going to be using my Girl+Hair products. So I'm starting with the Nourish leave-in conditioner. And then I'm following that up with the Restore Protective Restoring Balm. And last but not least, I'm going in with Refresh Biotin Infused Hydrating Milk. So I'm using these three products for the LOC method. And then when applying my rubber bands, I'm going in with my Let's Jam. So again, I've already prepped the back section of my hair, so I'm going to move on to the front. And I'm just gonna speed through this because I don't think this needs a serious explanation. Let's get into it. Okay, so for the top section, I split it in half, and then for each half, I am going to split it into 3 sections. So this is my first section on this half, and then I'm going to split this section in half also. All right, so I went ahead off camera and did the first 2 twists just to make sure that I still had the hang of it. So I'm going to show you what I do. So again, my hair is already moisturized. So I'm going to go in with my Let's Jam Strong Hold Gel. And I am going to apply that to the length of my hair. And then I'm going to take 2 strands and I'm just going to be separating the curl . Start in the middle and then just slide my finger down. Okay. And then I put those two pieces together. Fold it in half. Use my crochet hook and stick that underneath the rubber band. Apply the hair onto the hook. Close it. Bring it through and then take the hook loose. Then I'm just gonna pull half of it through. So now I have the two pieces on both sides of my hair. So then I'm going to take my hair in the middle and just tighten the rubber band. So here's my hair in the middle with my jam on it. So I'm just gonna take my hair, split it in half. So I have half of my hair with each side of the spring twist hair. And as I'm twisting, I'm going to be applying the jam. So you have to twist to the left. If you twist to the right, the twist will not turn out right. They literally will unravel. So I'm twisting to the left and twisting the hair. Adding a little jam, twisting, 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 adding more jam. And I'm twisting very tight. So I'm just twisting, turning the hair, twisting, turning the hair, adding my jam, twisting tightly. So I twist about 3 to 4 times and then add some more jam on my finger. And just twisting, twisting, twisting. And add in the jam. Again, twisting tight. Twisting to the left. And I'm gonna twist down about 85–90% of the way down, and then I'm just going to coil the end around my finger. Few more twists, and then I'm gonna coil the end. All right, so I'm gonna stop there. Hold the hair. coil the end around and let it go. And there we have it. 3 down, a lot more to go. Okay, so I have completed most of my hair. I have about 3 more twists to do. So I'm gonna do those on camera. Show you what it's looking like. So I'm gonna get to this last section. And here is the finished look. I had to go and do my edges. Definitely love these spring twists. Simple, easy, protective style. It took me a total of 3 hours to do the parting and twisting. So yeah, definitely loving this. I'll probably keep this up for 2 weeks. This protective style is actually in preparation for my surgery that I am having. So I didn't want to have to worry about doing my hair. So I figured this would be perfect way to style my hair so that I don't have to worry about it for a few weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.